This script creates lines between one or two ovals. I have various parameters in my script that I can set. I can use a center point anywhere on the screen and draw lines from one oval. I can change from sampling 3 to 4 colors in the line that's drawn. I can reverse the order in which the lines are drawn on the oval. Usually they start at minus 180 degrees and work their way around. And then I can set, the step is the degrees on the oval. Right here it's set for 8 degrees. And then the oval offset is the difference between the two ovals. So if I have it set for 1, it will set one of the degree differences. So here I'm going to use a picture of the turtle here. I've got the base image here. I've changed the name of the layer to base so it recognizes it, and then I set a folder to ovals in which I'll put my reference ovals. So I'll draw one and I will change it to a smart object with a script or a action there. And then I'll transform it to the shape I want. I'll set the angle, say I want to have it kind of go over the head like that. And what I need to do is have this set at 0 degrees, but I want to get a reference of what how I want the angle of the oval. So I'll go up here and it says 20.97. I'll put that back to 0 and change the name of the oval to 20.97. Now I'll create another oval, change it to smart object, and I will put it at a different angle and cover the entire frame because I want it to bleed to the edges like so. And here we have minus 19.03. So I'll put that in there, minus 19.03. Now I have another script that I run that will take the placement of the ovals and put them in the name of the layers for reference. So I play that script and you can see the names changed here, and they're all the diameters of the oval, the axes, and the placement. Now I'll just run my script and let's do that, and it will draw all the lines around the oval. Kind of slows down a little bit. Alright, and then we can, and there we go. And then I add a bevel emboss to make the line stand out better. I've got one already loaded up here. And this last line here, I'll usually put a mask on that to make it look like it's all continuous. So we'll make a selection around that. We'll modify the selection, contract it a point. Then we'll come up to the first few lines, make a group of it, and add a layer mask to blend it in, so it's all looks like it's all overlapping each other. Now if I want to use just one oval, I'll put those all in a group to keep things simple, and I need to take these out of the oval group, and I'll make a new layer, we'll draw an oval around this section here, Change it to a smart object. Adjust the angle. And it's 2325. That's 23.25. And I'll drop that in the oval thing. I'll get the information about the oval here. And then if I want to have the points go to a different position other than the very center of the oval, I'll add the XY coordinates at the very end of all this information. So I'll put my cursor here. Let's put it right there on the center of that, and it says 1348 for X and 381 for Y. And then I'll go back to my script. I'll say use center, change that to true, and we'll up this to say 15 degrees, and we'll drop the line width down to say 30 pixels and save that. And then we can run this again, and it should draw the lines just directly from the center point there. You can see it's kind of going slowly because I still have all those other lines from the first pass. So normally what I do is I put those in a different file and flatten them so it doesn't slow down Photoshop, because with all these layers it really slows down the performance. I also add the layer style after the fact because I found that that slows down the performance and often makes Photoshop crash if I try to apply a layer style in the script. Okay, that's done. And you can see that that created a radial pattern from just the one oval. And that's about it for right now.